Hey, welcome to Quick Cruise Tips. Ever feel like cruising's gotten ways more complicated than it needs to be? Bring packages that don't add up, cabins that somehow never look like they did in the brochure, and those limited time deals. Yeah, they're always here. Cruise lines are smart, but if you know how the system works, you can be smarter. That's why this channel exists, Quick Cruise Tips. Built by real cruisers, folks who sail every major line, got stuck in the washroom, found the secret perks, and figured out exactly what's worth it and what's just noise. We break down the cruise tips, booking trips, packing hacks, and all the behind-the-scenes stuff no one tells you about. So whether it's your first sailing or your 15th Caribbean trip, this channel's your shortcut to cruise better, cheaper, and stress-free. Hit subscribe, watch a few videos, and next time you're bored, you won't just cruise, you outsmart the ship. Quick Cruise Tips. Sail smart every time.